The Charity Worker Sponsor Licence allows UK-based charitable organisations to sponsor overseas individuals for unpaid work. This is under the provision the role directly contributes to the charity's core objectives. The route is part of the broader temporary work immigration category and aims to support charitable efforts while maintaining strict oversight to prevent misuse. This visa route is distinct from other work visas. It specifically prohibits paid employment and restricts sponsored activities to those directly related to the charity's mission. Sponsors must demonstrate adherence to rigorous compliance standards to protect both the integrity of the immigration system and the interests of the individuals involved. Eligibility criteria for sponsors. To apply for a charity worker sponsor licence, an organisation must meet several key requirements. Charitable status. The organisation must be recognised as a legitimate charity under UK law. This typically involves registration with the Charity Commission for England and Wales, the Office of the Scottish Charity Regulator, or the Charity Commission for Northern Ireland. Organisational capability. The charity must demonstrate adequate systems and processes to manage sponsorship duties. This includes having sufficient staff and resources to monitor compliance with immigration rules. No history of non-compliance. Charities with a history of breaching sponsorship duties or other legal obligations may face difficulties in obtaining a licence. Application process. Preparation. You must gather necessary documentation including proof of charitable status, financial records, and evidence of operational capacity. You must assign key personnel to roles required by the sponsor system, such as an authorising officer, key contact, and level 1 user. Submission of application. You must complete the online application form via the UK Visas and Immigration (UKVI) portal. You must pay the application fee, which varies depending on the size of the organisation. For example, small charities benefit from reduced fees. Document submission. You must submit supporting documents within 5 working days of completing the online application. These may include registration certificates, governing documents, evidence of charitable activities, compliance checks. UKVI may conduct site visits to assess the organisation's systems and processes for managing sponsored workers. Organisations must demonstrate their ability to track and report on the activities and whereabouts of sponsored individuals. Duties and compliance obligations. Once a sponsor licence is granted, charities must adhere to strict compliance obligations, including record keeping. You must maintain accurate records of sponsored individuals, including their contact details and visa status. Reporting duties. You must notify UKVI of significant changes, such as non-attendance or unauthorised absences of sponsored workers. Changes in the charity's circumstances, for example, address, key personnel. Prohibition of paid work. You must ensure sponsored individuals do not engage in paid employment or activities outside the scope of their visa. Renewal and monitoring. You must renew the sponsor licence periodically and cooperate with compliance audits by UKVI. Consequences of non-compliance. Failure to meet sponsorship obligations can result in suspension or revocation of the sponsor licence. Financial penalties. Reputational damage and restrictions on future sponsorship opportunities. Conclusion: the charity worker sponsor licence offers an invaluable opportunity for UK charities to enhance their missions by engaging international volunteers. However, the application process and compliance obligations require meticulous preparation and ongoing diligence. By understanding the requirements and maintaining robust systems, charities can ensure they benefit from this pathway while upholding the integrity of the UK's immigration system. For more information, get in touch using the details on screen.